Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable your WhatsApp notifications on your Daraz account. So first you're going to have to download the app from the App Store. Then you're going to open it. Since you're already logged in, we're going to click on the account button. Then we're going to click on settings button. Then we're going to click on message. Then once we scroll, we're going to have to find the WhatsApp option. We're going to click on it. So now you can receive promos via WhatsApp. So this is how you do it. You can go back and start your shopping. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.